Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken and cheese quesadillas. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of pre-cooked, shredded chicken and approximately 1 cup of your favorite melting cheese, such as Monterey Jack or a Mexican blend. Don't forget a few large flour tortillas. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's assemble your quesadilla. Take a large flour tortilla and lightly butter one side. This helps achieve a golden, crispy finish. Place the buttered side down in your pan. Sprinkle about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese over half of the tortilla, then add approximately 1/2 cup of your cooked chicken on top. Finally, fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a perfect crescent. Cooking your quesadilla to perfection is key. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Carefully place your assembled quesadilla into the hot pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the tortilla is beautifully golden brown and crispy. Make sure the cheese inside is completely melted and the chicken is thoroughly heated. A gentle press with a spatula helps ensure even cooking. Once cooked, carefully remove your hot quesadilla from the skillet and let it rest for just a moment. This brief pause helps the cheese set slightly. Then, using a sharp knife, cut your quesadilla into 3 or 4 easy-to-handle wedges. Serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments, such as fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or cool sour cream. Now, enjoy every delicious bite of your homemade chicken and cheese quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.